Gullwing, once a symbol of speed, elegance, and innovation. But now it rests in silence, forgotten, rusted, covered in decades of dust. Look closer, the body scarred by time. Dull and lifeless. Inside, the restoration continues. The leather seats are restitched by hand. Every thread pulled tight, every seam aligned with the paint. The smell of new leather fills the room, rich, smooth, comforting. The dashboard is polished, the dials restored to a brilliant shine.